We got a lot of rain yesterday. The birds didn't even come out for breakfast, and they canceled school due to flooding. And while it's nice and cozy to curl up inside, this is a great time to get outside into your yard and observe. Observation is one of the most important practices for a sustainable home and garden, and it's one of the fundamental principles of permaculture. Observe and interact. So ask yourself, where does the water soak in? Thank you, mulch. Where does the water pool up? And when it's running off, what direction does the water move in? Where could a cover crop prevent erosion? Oof, wish we'd gotten one planted here. Is your compost pile covered well? Could your animals use a little more dry shelter? And where are there opportunities to reshape the land and store water?
Hey, don't get deeper than your boots.
We learn a lot about our yards when we go outside in different conditions, and I encourage you to get outside and learn about yours. Observe and interact.